Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to stop receiving emails from Candy Crush Saga. Whether you are getting too many notifications, promotions or updates, this guide will help you unsubscribe quickly. First of all, open up your Candy Crush Saga application on your mobile device. From the home screen of Candy Crush Saga, tap on the play button. Once you end up in this map section of Candy Crush Saga, tap on the gear button at the top right corner. Once you open up the settings menu, click on Account and Help. Now on the next page, tap on My Account. Make sure that you're also logged into Candy Crush Saga with your King account so that you can turn off the email notifications from Candy Crush Saga. Now click on Privacy and Security. In the Privacy and Security, toggle off the button right next to Get Emails from King, and once you turn that button off, you will no longer receive emails from Candy Crush Saga. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.